Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send a private message on Facebook. Alright, so we're in Facebook. This is my homepage. And as you can see over here, as we go down, there are a few ways you can actually private message somebody. So if you are on your homepage, let's say perhaps I'm going to run down here. And this is one of my friends. I'm just going to click on that person or hold my cursor over that name. You can see there, I can now click on message and it'll open up this window on the right hand side. And here I can send a private message to this person. Now, if there is somebody that perhaps has, that you're not friends with, let's say perhaps this person. If you click on this person, you'll see that this person does not have a private Facebook account. So you can actually go ahead and just click on message, and here I'll be able to private message this person. There are also other ways. If you're going into perhaps marketplace, and let's say we would like to make a purchase or an inquiry on this beautiful mountain bike here, and on the right hand side you can see that there is a send seller a message, and this will be a private message. Okay, so this is not public. This is private, so you can type your message in here and then click on send, or you can click on message over here, okay, or you can look for the seller. It says seller information. You can click on that seller. You can see this is the seller, and there you can go into their profile and then click on message. One of the things to note is that if somebody has a private account, then if you're not friends with that person, you may not be able to message them. So there's a couple ways that you can send private messages on Facebook.